Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile data is slow in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times, then scroll down and check your network connection works properly or not. After check your network connection, then reinsert your SIM card. After we insert your SIM card, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. Press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.